My name is Josephine Bryce. I want to give this testimony to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil. I've been worshiping in this church for a very long time. I came into this church using glasses. I was in primary school when I started using glasses. From there, I have been using glasses. From my primary school level, I've been using glasses. It was when I came to Covenant Light of Restoration, I regained my healing. 19th of May 2021, I came to church and my daddy Kelechi, called me and he prayed for me. What he asked me to do was to place my hands on his own eyes, and which I did. Immediately he said I should still use the same hand and place on my own eye. And I did it. After then, I was able to see. I was able to do what I couldn't do with the eye. Before, I couldn't read with my ordinary eye, except I use glasses. I couldn't do anything without it except I use glasses. But immediately he asked me to do what I did that very day. I regained my sight. I was able to see very well. I was able to read without the glasses. And I also want to thank God for so many things he has done for me ever since I joined this commission. I want to thank him. I want to appreciate him because I know that he will do more. Praise the Lord. And I want to appreciate others worshiping in this commission, that as long as you are here, be focused, serve God, and bring out your head to serve God. He will do whatever you are asking him to do. Praise the living Jesus.